Hello everyone, welcome you all to another video of tektalkbd. In today's video we will see how we can convert any video files using command prompt in Windows 10. There are many ways to convert media files from one format to another on Windows 10, including using the command prompt. If you prefer commands over graphical user interfaces, here's how to convert your audio and video files using the command prompt. FFmpeg is the main backend operation for most of the video converter and transcoding system in the world. By default, the command prompt does not offer the option to convert your media files. You need to include a third-party utility or plugin to perform this conversion, and FFmpeg is a great utility to do this with. It's open source, cross-platform, and very popular. Using FFmpeg, you can convert nearly all audio and video formats to many other file formats. To use this utility, you need to download it first, then add its path to your system variables. To begin, open a browser and type ffmpeg.org, the official FFmpeg site. Click Download and click Windows icon under Get Packages and Executable Files. Then choose one of the providers to download the compiled FFmpeg package. When the package is downloaded, right-click it and select Extract All. Then go to the extracted folder and press Ctrl A to select all your extracted files and copy all the folders. Basically, we are copying bin, doc, include and leave folders. Navigate to C drive and create a folder called FFmpeg. And paste all your FFmpeg folders inside the folder. Now it's time to add FFmpeg's path to our system. Right-click on this PC icon and click on Properties, and then click on Advanced System Settings from the right side. A System Properties settings will be popped. Click on Environment Variables from the bottom of the window. Then select Path from the upper part of your screen and click Edit. Select New on the right to add a new path. Type this path in the box, which is Mpeg's path on our system. Then click OK. FFmpeg is now ready to be used from the command prompt to convert our media files. Since FFmpeg supports dozens of file formats, you can convert your videos from pretty much any format to any other video formats you want. Performing this conversion only requires typing a single command. You need to use some parameters with this command, and the command turns your source file into your chosen format. For this example, we will convert a video called tektalk.mp4, which is placed into a folder called Convert on desktop, and we will convert the file format from MP4 to MKV. To do this, open that folder containing the video file. Now type cmd in the address bar on the Open File Explorer and press Enter. A command prompt window will open directed the same directory we are in. Type ffmpeg-i, the source file name and the desired file name with format. Press Enter when done. It will take some time to convert the video file, and when the video is converted, the resulting file is placed in the same folder as the original file. It would be the convert folder on desktop in my case. You can also convert your audio files using the command prompt, just like how you convert your videos. Simply specify the input and output file names, and your files will be converted. You can change video resolution and bitrate for your converted files. For that, you need to use some additional parameters. To change video resolution, you need to use -VF parameter, which stands for video filter, and -B:\V, which stands for video bitrate. Use these commands to change video resolution and bitrate for your videos. So we have come to the end of today's video. This is how you can simply convert any media files to any other formats. Thanks for watching. You can subscribe to my channel if you want. It will be really helpful if you share the video with your friends. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye.